dish, so if you want to use it, by all means. Sausages, browning, let me add some onions. And again, you know, the sizes of the vegetables, just like the other pizza. Nice and sort of a good size, so they have texture.
Hey, your bird pizza.
Sometimes I see peppers diced. That's okay, but I like my peppers.
Oh, well, you can't really see anyway.
Products, especially in Africa. The eggs with a little bit of salt, just a little bit. Let's whisk them up.
Are you going to talk now?
A little bit of cheese. This is great for breakfast.
No?
It's also a great lunch. And again,
You're not going to say anything at all now, huh?
as a meal rather than just for breakfast.
Yeah, okay, I see how it's going to work. Yeah, I see what you're doing. Uh-huh. I see what you're doing. Uh-huh. I see what you're doing. You're like, oh, talk? Why would I want to talk now?
The peppers, they're nice and caramelized.
What do you think I...
And ready to add the eggs. Spread them out.
What?
Nice temperature.
Well, what are you going to say?
The eggs to cook as soon as
Come
you
on.
put them in. And you spread it right
What?
around.
You got the hiccup? You have the hiccup.
And here you give it a chance to sort of
Oh
pull
my
their
goodness.
shreds. And you just pull it.
That's a
towards
biggy
this
boy.
side. I like
That's a biggy boy.
when I make it like scrambled. I like shreds of
What?
the eggs. I don't like when it's crumbled.
Biggy
Now,
boy.
you can like it
Yeah.
soft or medium or well done. I like it a little bit on the soft side, so this is perfect for me.